I'm Matthew, and today we're going to do another shave video. Who would have guessed? Today's razor is going to be the Yaqi adjustable razor. This thing does have a few quirks to it, but I could fix one of them. The first one is the good old 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, 4, but we can't change that. And today I'm going to be using the Gillette Planet Kind. This is in a metal tin. I don't know if you guys have seen this. I got this at Target. I can't really turn it over because it's pretty thin, but it's got a cucumber smell to it. I've already got some of it in my handmade bowl. One of my friends made this. It's got a bunch of little wrong finger to be using to point with, but it's got where they did the painting or whatever, the glaze. It's got a bunch of little divots and bumps in it. I'm going to use the Omega boar brush. I've already had that soaking. I've never used this before, so we're going to see what it's like today. Man, this stuff's all over the place already. It said on the container that you can apply with the brush or directly to the face with the hands. I like using the brush, so we're going to go with that today. Definitely cucumbery. Go ahead and wet the face. Sometimes I get so excited, my brain's going faster than my body. You know how that is? Like, you ever drink a Red Bull? Okay, so one of the things with this particular razor is you'd have to hold all this together in order to spin this bottom cap and make an adjustment. I did fix that, so if you guys want to see a video on how I fix that, let me know and I'll do one. The blade I'm going to be using today is the Wilkinson sword. It's not the Gillette Wilkinson sword, and this will be the first time I've tried this blade. I have used this razor several times, so I'm not too worried about that. I don't want to put too many variables in at the same time, because then you just never know what could be the thing, if it goes bad or good. You'd like to be able to, got that blade in there, you'd like to be able to tell, you know, what is the one thing that changed. Let's see, I'm going to be, let's go with setting 5, which is the number that's right on there. See how this, oh yeah, get it all over. I feel like you can't have a nice shave unless you're just throwing that soap everywhere. What do you guys think? If you can't wear it, you can't shave with it. I watch several different guys that do shave videos, and the one thing I notice is whatever your dominant hand is, and I do this too. I'm left-handed, so I'll just sit there and do the left side of my face more than I do the right side. And I don't know if that's just human nature, but you know, I try to do the best videos I can for you guys, so, but drop my shave towel again, huh? All right, I'm gonna warm up my razor a little bit here, see how this thing goes. Oh yeah. Now I got this razor on one of their drops, so I had to wait up until 2 o'clock in the morning, watch their little live cast, and then bid on, or not really bid, but you had to just enter the number whenever you were wanting to purchase it. And whenever I had did that, I waited up through the whole thing, and they never even really talked about this razor. And so when I got it and I seen those numbers were off, I was pretty disappointed in it. You know, like a lot of other people, I didn't get it. I got mine kind of late compared to a lot of other people. And so by the time I had seen some of their videos, I thought, well, my razor is going to be the same way. I do like this blade, the one that I put in here, the Wilkinson sword blade. I can tell that this one is definitely sharper than the Gillette Wilkinson sword. Maybe I'll need to do a showdown on both of those blades in the same type of razor. You guys get any new razors? Any new blades or soap? See, now this soap, there's definitely no residual slickness left over, except for what I got out of my goatee and my ear here. But it does feel like it provides pretty good protection while you're using it. And if you wear it, it does a really good job on your shirt. Thank you, Gillette. All right, no, that's my fault. User error. I do like the smell of this. It also is supposed to have some, I think it was vitamin E in there. Kind of reminds me of a summertime smell. I just like the boar brushes. They seem to kind of help lift those hairs up. They definitely got a lot more backbone than some of the synthetics. I just feel like whenever I'm using that, especially on my neck area, right here and here, those are my two trouble spots. It just feels like it kind of helps me out. And it may just be a mental thing. Oh yeah, I can change my shirt. All right, second pass. Go across the grain. Got a different mount for my phone, so I feel like I'm a little closer. Gonna back up a little bit. I can definitely tell a difference between my phone and the Canon M50. This one seems to, even though it's the camera that faces towards you, I feel like it does better. It focuses a lot quicker. The audio is good on it. May not be as crystal clear for some of the close-up details, but it does pretty good. But once you drop your phone in the sink, you get nervous about any kind of mount that you have. I'm a 2-pass shaver, so let's go ahead and rinse off with a cold washcloth. Try something new here, get a little ice cube. This will go real good with that frostbite from Phoenix. I've already got everything lined up for next week's video. I'm a menthol head. I just love it. Some people don't like menthol. You can't get it. You got to substitute. Oh, since Gillette doesn't really have a matching splash, I'm going to use the Stirling unscented, and it's the glacial version. And to follow that up, I got the matching Planet Kind moisturizing. Good for the skin. We'll give it a shot. Kind of hard to smell with the menthol now. Oh yeah, I can smell it now. Yeah, it's pretty good stuff. It's not very thick. It's nice and thin. Feels like it's absorbing into the face pretty well. I just got out of the shower a little while ago, so my face is still nice and hydrated from earlier. All right, that ought to wrap up the shave for today. I'll put a picture right here with all the stuff I use. Thank you for the new subscribers, and for my current subscribers, welcome back. I appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, suggestions, leave them below, and I will get back to them as soon as I can. Thanks again.